I'm Matt Steiger. I'm with the Wisconsin DNR. St. Louis River Summit is an opportunity to share progress on the projects that we work on the river. It's a great place to foster relationships and learn about progress on the river, the research taking place, results of past projects, and make new partnerships.
Hi, I'm Dr. Saqib Mahmood. I'm an associate professor in sustainable management and economics at the University of Wisconsin Superior. I'm also an academic director of the Sustainable Management Program. I came to know about St. Louis River Summit not only as a partner but also as a planner through Lake Superior Estuary Research Reserve and also UW Superior. I think St. Louis River Summit is a high-impact program for allowing not only the natural scientists but also social scientists like me to come and present our work and create the opportunities for collaboration to showcase our work related with this Lake Superior and the Great Lakes community. So in a way, we are contributing our work and to our community through the St. Louis River Summit platform, which is affecting not only our Twin Ports community of Superior and Duluth, but also I would say the North Shore area and also the counties of Northeast Minnesota and Northwest Wisconsin. So I want to thank all the partners for supporting the St. Louis River Summit and to create this kind of opportunity for all of us. Thank you.
Hi. My name is Barb Huberty. I'm the St. Louis River Area of Concern Coordinator for the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. I just started this job about 3 years ago, and one of the first things I got to do was go to the St. Louis River Summit. It turned out to be a terrific opportunity for me to meet people who are doing work in the estuary and understand what their roles here are. And it's also a really wonderful platform that integrates the work that people are doing and helps people identify who else they should be synergizing with to maximize their impact here. The St. Louis River staff every year demonstrate how organized they are, their creativity, their inclusivity, and their generosity, as well as their commitment to this place and these people. We really appreciate the work that they do, and without them, our work here in the AOC program would be far less successful. They're truly trusted educators and scientists.